I've got the bell housing on this R380 and I was just about to put it on the deck, and I was going to fit the clutch bearing guide thing with the pivot thing here, and although the ball is nice and polished, you're going to keep polishing your balls, it's so loose it's unbelievable. Look, it's no good. It's going to come out, well, it's going to get worse. And what happens is, because of the pressure of your clutch fork pushing this way and this way, it's going to get worse. Could you bush it? I suppose so. But the problem is, well, not the solution is, they actually make these in cast iron now. So this is all cast iron and this is steel, so when you push it together it's nice and tight. If you do that, you know, if you're going to do your clutch, have a look at that piece, and also just make sure the dowels are in.